Hello dear kids. Hi. Yes. Today we are going to start a new digital classes from the beginning. These all are the fresh classes, fresh videos you are going to see in our onwards. Children, see, this is a special video. Now onwards your 2020 and 21 academic year started. Keep this one in your mind and start studying. I think you people have collected all the notebooks and textbooks from the school. So that is the reason we have been made a plan. Whether the school open or it does not open, it does not matter at all. We all are following the videos and you are supposed to study. It is a mandatory and you can. Okay. So that's the reason it's a wonderful idea so that we start our actual classes from today. So we are starting our classes from the first chapter again. Okay. Children, see, this digital classes started especially for you people to understand systematically book wise. Your NCERT book, how it is there, in the same way we are going to teach you people now onwards. Okay. Same exactly the same exercises, same problems we people are supposed to start. Till today in the previous videos we have been given complete knowledge about the same book, but the systematical study we are going to start now onwards. So if we want to start our systematic study means we are supposed to be systematic from mentally, physically, everything, right? So that's the reason we are supposed to give you people a introduction class. Okay. So in this introduction class you people are supposed to work little. So which all you have been studied from grade 1 to grade 6, that all has to be recaptured. Okay, it has to be recollected from your brain, right? So that's the reason, as we have in the grade 7th, the first chapter, that is integers, right? That also you people little understood in the previous videos. That we will start in the next. Okay, but before that you people are supposed to work little, right? So that all the records should be there in your books, no? That's the reason few work I am giving, that is to be done by you people. So in that, the first is write numerals from 0 to 9 neatly. So in the mathematics, what you are going to use maximum? All these numerals only, right? So everybody is having their own fashion to write the numbers. Okay, somebody writes a big, somebody writes a small, that all it is not required. You can copy the numbers which are there in the calendars, not fashionable calendars. Okay, because that all are going to write systematically with rules. So you all are supposed to write now onwards. So notes also neatly. No, I want to see how you people are writing numbers. That's what I am making you people to write from 0 to 9 numbers neatly. Okay. So the next, after that, write number names from 1 to 20. So you people know number name means. What does it mean? ONE1. It's a number name. You know, one is like writing like that. No, number name means ONE. You have to write separately alphabets. Okay, TWO, THREE. Like this, you are supposed to write the number names. Where to where? From 1 to 20. So that next you can skip from 21, 22, that all. You can directly write 30. Don't want to write 31, 32, 33 and all. Okay, you are supposed to write directly 40. So after that 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Only that you are supposed to write. But from 1 to 20 neatly, correctly you have to write. After that skip and write. Okay. After the 100 what you are supposed to write? Directly go to the 1000. Okay. After 1000 directly go to the lakh. Then that next crore. Stop to the crore. Okay. That much is right. Okay. That next you are supposed to write place values in Indian system and in international system separately. I think in the grade 6 it is taught to you people systematically. Okay, Indian system means what, international system means what, that is to be remembered now. Okay, that's the reason you are supposed to write it. Okay, what does it mean? Indian system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. It is to be written one side. Don't want any examples or anything. That is to be written at the one particular place, one side. That next in the international system, same thing like a ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, like this. It is to be written at the one place. Okay. Rest all the studies are there that we can take it up later. Okay. Then next we go to the one more. That is write Roman numerals from I to C. I to C? No, not that. I means 1, 2, C means 100. These all are the symbols for the numbers in Roman numbers, right? You already studied in the previous classes. What are Roman numbers? I stands for 1, double I stands for 2, triple I stands for 3. Like this you go on writing all the things, and you know the rules also. Okay, that rules are to be followed, and you are supposed to write just from 1 to 100. Okay, neatly, properly, by making a lines with using a scale. Okay, so that's the thing. So that after next write more than 20 mathematical symbols which we use. You have been used many mathematical symbols, right? Isn't it? So that mathematical symbols, what all are, they are very very important for us. Without symbol you cannot operate anything. Correct na? So which all are those symbols? It may be plus, it may be minus, it may be into, it may be divide, greater than, less than. Okay. So like that, implies, is equal to, so many things are there. Many you have been used like before, because, okay, that all you have been used. I think more than 20 you people knows. That all you are supposed to write it. Okay, this is the one. So the next is the very very important one, which is that write tables from 0 to 25 times are 250 in the same fashion you are supposed to write. Okay, don't write 0, 1, 2, 3 like no single only answers. I don't want. I want this in this manner only. Why? Because whenever you people do few of examples or numerals, any problems, by the time if any tables required, you can just turn out your pages and you can write off. If you forget, if you are learned, I don't know. Okay, but the compulsion is that you are supposed to write it from 0 to 25. Okay, that is compulsory. Okay, so the next, whenever you write these tables, no, this is to be correct. I don't want the wrong table is to be written in your record. This is the record for you people. In all the complete this academic year, no, it should be very much correct. Cross check many times, then you go for the next one. Okay, write prime and composite numbers separately from 0 to 100. I think in the 6th standard you have been dealt with the prime numbers and the composite numbers separate chapters. You know it. That all are helpful for you people in this grade 7. So I am making you people to write it separately. Okay, so what are these? Here prime numbers means which have only 2 factors. Okay, which are examples? The first prime number is 2. That next is 3. That next is 5. Why? Because 2 is having only 2 factors, which are those 1 and 2. 3 is having 2 factors, which are those 1 and 3. 5 is having only 2 factors, which are those 1 and 5. Like that, it is having 2 factors, then it is called as a prime number. Okay, that's the prime numbers. From where to where you have to write? 0 to 101. Separately, neatly added. That after, except prime number which are remaining on, those are called as the composite numbers. How? Like more than 3 factors. Sir, what about that 1, sir? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so this also you have been learned. Correct na? That's the case. Okay, these all are the works should be done. Okay, after doing this, you have one important work. What is that? You need to take a photo of that work, what you have done, and in where it is to be taken, not in your normal camera. You are supposed to take a scan app. It has been already downloaded by you people. Okay, in that you have to take a photo, and that is to be forwarded to my number. Okay, these all are the works to be done in time. If it is not done, we will not send you people a next video. So be careful. Okay, so it's not that you all are good children, I know, so you are going to do it. Correct na? So it is not a heavy work. You have a lot much of a time, and you have got a school books, no? In that only you have to write. Which colored book it is? It is having a blue colored. That is the mathematics. In that only it is to be written. It is just like your notes. The notes we people start to do in the same thing. After that we go for the first chapter. What is the name of the first chapter? Integers. Okay. Okay. Any other things you want means you call and contact me. These all are the words to be done in time. Okay, children. Bye-bye.